Welcome to another science workshop video. These are cochineal bugs, the bodies of cochineal insects. They grow in prickly pear cactuses, or otherwise known as nopales, and they grow in California, Central and South America. The bodies of the cochineal has a chemical that makes a red color, and it is also a pH indicator, which has been used to dye cloth throughout hundreds of years. And it was used before the Europeans came to the Americas. These little cochineal bugs are pH indicators, and they show whether a substance is very acid or acidic or basic by changing colors. You're probably wondering what pH means. The H in pH stands for hydrogen, which determines if a base or an acid is very strong. An example of an acid is vinegar or lemon juice, and an example for a base is either baking soda or soap, which acid is very sour and a base is very bitter. When the indicator is mixed with the compound, it changes the color because the molecular structures are being changed. This happens because it is indicating whether the liquid is acidic or basic. This is very useful for chemists to analyze materials or compounds, and it is also very useful to make colors. So go ahead and have fun making color with your cochineal bugs.